Black cut, G.
Handsome, yeah?
Barbershop, hair salon. What's the difference? Well, they both cut hair, they do it well. I'm pretty sure both of them have similar skill sets. Well, today we'll find out because I have two guinea pigs that's gonna come with me to see what's the difference and which one is the one for you. Okay, so today we are headed to Queen's Wealth Barbershop. The person who's gonna get his haircut today is behind me. His name is Alif.
Yo. Hi, my name is Alif Daniel. I'm 22 years old and I study at NTU.
Where do you usually cut your hair?
Usually at my neighborhood, there's a barber shop over there, so usually it's like 5 minutes walk, yeah.
Is it a Malay uncle?
Surprisingly, no. It's not a Malay uncle.
What am I doing? So Alif, have you ever gotten a bad haircut?
Multiple times. Multiple times.
So today, hopefully that doesn't happen. We're going to a more premium option, a premium barber. There's many different services aside from cutting hair. So we'll see if Alif will get a good or bad haircut.
Alright, let's go.
Hi, my name is Ken. I'm a senior barber, currently working part-time in Queen's Wealth. It's mostly haircuts, hair wash, and mostly beard trims. Well, I started off cutting about 5 years ago. A friend of mine was actually cutting hair. So in a way, I took it to effect like it looks cool, you know, like learning how to cut hair. It came to me as a passion now. So I love cutting hair. The difference between it's more of, let's say, the community-wise. So if let's say we're looking at barbers, when we have clients, it's more of like, you know, once you cut a person, that person likes you, like he'll be your regular every single time. Sometimes they come in with like, I don't know, just give me whatever you want. So in a way, from communication, it slowly breaks down to the point where, like, you know, this section he doesn't want to be short, or like probably he doesn't want to go this high. So in a way, it works both ways. Like, salon is mostly based for women's haircut. So that's a lot of work. On a guy's haircut, we usually have like 2 partings, and then from then on, we blend nicely. So that fade is where that art comes in, because you want to have a seamless blend to it. So usually I'm just stopping at this occipital bone here, around this area. My favorite outlining is always an inverse view. I don't like to do more of, let's say, a curve to the bottom or triangle. We're gonna go more of, let's say, a 3/7 parting but a mid taper at the side. So I have a thinning scissors, take out all that bulk. So it's gonna refine it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna wash your hair, and then after that we're gonna style up the hair. So usually after the hair wash, what I would like to do is always like a head rub itself.
The experience is interesting. Never had anything like this before.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Awesome, man. If let's say you're going to like an old retro uncle type barber, best it's a mid slope. Okay, so slope is generally used in Singapore terms of, you know, like giving a nice blend to it. You just want to trim. Make sure you tell him how much inch you want to take off. It's not always like short. Short could be a lot, my friend. So in a way, best is always to tell him an inch or half an inch. Best by cm itself. Okay? Alright?
So now we are on our way to Zigzag Hair Salon. The person that's gonna get his haircut today is behind me.
Hello. Hi, my name is Irfan. I'm 18 years old and I study at Temasek Poly.
So Irfan, what kind of haircut you wanna get today?
You know Jackson Wang? His hair is really like very nice. I want to try his haircut now.
Did you ever get a bad haircut at a barber? Is that why?
Yeah, I feel like mean there's a time where like now my hair is long because of that. Like I get to a barber, I want to try to get this haircut, but then it's like cut too short. Then I feel like, oh, bastard.
Okay, so we'll find out whether he'll get a bad or good haircut today. We're gonna head to Zigzag Hair Salon now. So yeah, let's go.
Yeah. And some
My name is Zizi. Zig Plus Zag is the name of my shop. It is a recently opened boutique hair salon. Color and cut is the main thing, and then treatment, when your hair needs treatment. It's kind of very focused. We don't do perm and rebonding. I've been doing hair for 4 years. I used to be working in the corporate, and then I just decided I want to do something else. I just tried doing hair, and then I discovered that I like it. So here am I. Nowadays, there's always a different vibe in barber and salon. I think that I actually go more in-depth in terms of consultation. Do you blow dry your hair? Do you use any products, or do you just want like wash and wear and like wash and just go outside? You could be about the same, but in general, I feel like in salon, some of the style it's a little bit more natural. Like you don't really do like harsh lines. I don't do like beard and stuff trimmings, but barbers do that. So if someone is going for that kind of service, they should go to a barber. I'm gonna use this to prep his hair. It's oil, non-oil. It's for natural tame texture. I'm still not really done with the cut yet, but I'm just gonna prep his hair so that it's manageable. Some of this hair here, I didn't cut because I would suggest him to grow it out. Some maybe barbers or some hairdressers, they like to cut this off. They like to cut because they want it like a nice hairline. But this is natural, and once you cut it out, right, 1 week later it will stick out and it will poke you. Slowly it starts to be very ugly. Then you want to try and do it by yourself, and it always looks very funny. We're gonna use the all-purpose pomade by First Hand. This has firm hold, low shine, which I really like, and it smells really good.
It's very professional. He gets what I wanted actually, even though I did give like specific pointers, he did it in his own style.
Okay, so basically you go shorter on the sides and then leaving the whole top disconnected from the sides. For the top, you go shorter to longer, and then you texturize it a little bit just to give it more texture and remove some weight. Yeah.
Okay, as you guys can see, it's two totally different haircuts from two different places. This is the salon and this is the barber. For this side, as you guys can see, it's a little bit more chill, a little more relaxed, a bit more loose, somewhat K-poppy. But on this side, if you go to a barber, most times they do this really well, something tight and clean. In that sense, if that helped you decide on where to go, where to get a haircut, on which style, it really depends on what you like and the style you are going for. So if that helped, please like
and subscribe
and tell us down below your worst haircut experience, and I'll see you in the next video.
Bye bye.
That was the camera too.